you can just log in into your Instagram. Once you are logged in, you just have to go to the search option. So there are two options that how you can create reels. The first one is if you are just exploring the reels option here, you can choose whatever options you are liking, whatever you want, and you can make the similar one just like TikTok. I have lowered up the volume because I don't want the copyright issue over here. So if I'm taking this video for suppose, and if you want to make the similar kind of reels with the same kind of music and anything, you can just click the camera option here in the right section and you can do that. Okay, you can also check the comments over here, you can also check the likes and everything just like TikTok. But if you want to create your own like from the scratch, just straightforward, then what you have to do is you just have to go to the home page over here and you have to click plus your story. Once you will click, you will get to see that you have been entered into the story section, and then you have to click the reels, which is just behind the story options. So once I will click the reels, I can choose the audio over here, whatever audio I want, whatever dialogues I want, I can browse from here and I can use it. The next what I can do is I can choose the speed, that what kind of speed I want. The next what I can do is I can choose the effects, that what kind of effects do I want, and I also can just introduce the timer, that what kind of video, how much long video I want, and I can do that. So these are the few features that it offers, but also it offers the option to share your video in your story feed and to be featured. Let me show you how you can do that. So the first thing what you have to do is, I have already recorded one video over there, so yesterday, so I am just taking that video. And suppose if I want to upload it, what I can do is I can just click this option, that is the upload. Once I am doing that, it will get uploaded into the reels option, not into my Instagram, just to the reels. And if you want to continue it further, I can just tap in the reel button and it will start recording. But I don't want, I just want only this my previous clip to be uploaded. So I will click this forward button over here. Once I will click, I will then again click the forward button here. Once I will do it, you will see that I have the option to share it to my feed, and also I have the option to share it to my story, right? So there are two options that I will get. Also you can add hashtags, you can add captions just like your IGTVs that we used to do. You can also make the covers in the Canva and you can upload it. You can just change the cover over here. You can also choose images from your gallery and you can do that. You can also change the covers from here as per you want. So this is how it works, and if you want to save it, just save it as a draft. It's completely up to you. So I hope you find it useful and see you soon. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please do it. Thank you.